So in the previous video, we saw whereby the hemispheres there were the same. So like west-west or east-east. But in this case now, look at the hemispheres. They're different. So we have the western hemisphere here, that's given. And we're figuring it out for the eastern hemisphere. Once you have this, the first part of your equation or your operation is that you're going to be adding. So you do the opposite in comparison to what we did in the previous video. So in this case, it's going to be 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. Once we do that, we get 105 degrees, right? Then now, after that, you're going to divide 105 degrees divided by 15. You're left with 7 hours. Then now you're going to say to yourself, using the principle that we established, when you're going towards the west, you subtract time. When you go towards the east, you add time. So it says 45 degrees west, so we're going over into the eastern hemisphere, right? So in that case, we're going to add time. So it means that you're going to add 7 hours to the 10 a.m. So if we add that, we're going to get what? 17 hours. And if we convert this to PM or AM, then this is going to be what time? It's going to be 5 PM, right? And also if we draw up our line diagram, so if we have our line diagram here, let's draw as many as we can. So we have 0, we have 15, 30, 45, and then 60, and this is the eastern hemisphere. We have 15, 30, 45, 60, and that's the western hemisphere, and we are given 45 degrees west, which is at 10 a.m. So we're not going towards the east, so we're going to add time. So this would be 11 a.m., then 12 noon, then 1 p.m., then 2 p.m., then 3 p.m., then 4 p.m., and we're stopping at 60 degrees east, and this would be 5 p.m. So you see that we're matching it up back again with the line diagram. Let's look at the next example there, 15 degrees east. So we see that again we have two different hemispheres. So we're going to have 15 plus 45, and we are left with 60 degrees. So we divide that now by 15, and we're left with 4 hours. Again, we're going towards the east because it's 15 degrees east there. We're starting from 45. And we're going towards the east, so we're going to add time again. So it would be 10 a.m. plus 4 hours. So we're left with 14 hours, and that would be equivalent to 2 p.m. So let's check that on this line diagram. So start with 10, and we're going up to 15, so that will be 11, 12 o'clock, 12 noon, 1, and then 2 p.m.